Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our PCV valve replacement kit for Volkswagens. On some VW V6 engines, when the PCV valve is to be replaced, the dealer will only sell it to you as part of the valve cover assembly. There's not much point in replacing the entire valve cover if it's just the valve that's gone bad, so we developed a better way to tackle this job. Instead of scrapping the cover, why not replace just your customer's PCV valve? Our valve can be swapped into a valve cover in just a few minutes. All you do is flip the valve cover over so you get it in the position you can see here, unscrew the old valve, pop the new one in, and you should be pretty well set to rock and roll. We include a fresh valve cover gasket you can see here, so the service can be completed with 0 oil leaks, removing the possibility of a comeback from your customer. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything else, the Dorman technical support team is always here to help. Give us a jingle. Thanks for checking out our video on the new PCV valve kit for VWs. I'm Lem. I'm out of here.